Alright, Grandmaster Mario, let's go. We're doing something different. We're first doing Boss Rush Status 1 Web, then we're doing Bird Percent Status 1 Web, and then we're going over to Status 2 Web and doing Burglar Rush. The reason why we're doing Status 2 is for Burglar Rush. I'm going to try to do it all in one sitting. I'm just doing this for fun. I'm just doing this for fun. I'm just doing this for something fun to do. Yeah, I'm just doing this for something fun to do. That's basically why I'm doing it. It's not an official category, it's just for fun. We can't have too many categories anyways. We already have over 200 categories. We already have over 200 full game categories for data games. If you include all the minimum jumps. If you include all the minimum jump categories, then we have just for fun. For the fun of it. For the fun of it. It is kind of crazy at the time because I'm the only one who's speedrunned all three of these in any type of capacity. Like, period. And yet I'm doing it all in one sitting. And I'm the only person who's ever even speedrunned all three. What the hell? What the hell? He should be dead already. That's not right. I almost forgot. I've speedrunned almost all the bird percents. And almost all the boss rushes. Speedrun all the bird rushes I'm the only one who's even speedrun one of each of these. I'm the only one who's even ran one of each of these. Nearly all of them. Jesus. Let alone all in one sitting. Ah, whatever. I just want to finish this. For sakes, man. Oh my god. Oh wow. Jesus. I just want to finish this. This is like my 5th or 6th attempt at this. So I know I didn't get away without I wasn't able to do it without a death, but still I just want to complete this. This is a lot. There's a lot of attempts. So I just want to complete this for you. Oh my god. I've done 17 out of 18 boss rushes. I've done 10 out of 12 bird percents, and I've done all 3 out of 3 burglar rushes. As a matter of fact, I'm current world record holder in all 3. At least right now, anyways. The only ones that I haven't done for boss rush and bird percent There we go. 2111. What the hell? 2111. Terrible. Can I do it in under 10? Can I do this in under 10, you think? I was a little slow, but whatever. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting it's not bird percent. I keep thinking it's bird percent. There aren't even any birds here. I've been doing so much bird percent lately that my brain just wants to believe that it's bird percent. I've been doing so much bird percent lately that I keep thinking it's bird percent, but it's not. go, Grandmaster Mario. We just did it. We just did all of it. Boss Rush, Bird Percent, and Burglar Rush. Alright, all complete. All on the web. Dadish 1 web, Boss Rush, and Bird Percent, and then Dadish 2 web, Burglar Rush. But yeah, anyways, Grandmaster Mario, that is it. We are done. We are done. Burglar Rush complete. Alright, Grandmaster Mario, that's it. Bye.